Natural wonders of the world. The world is full of beautiful and amazing things. The most amazing wonders of the world are the ones that we can find in nature. Niagara Falls is one of North America's most famous sites. It lies between the US and Canada. The largest part of the falls is Horseshoe Falls on the Canadian side. Niagara Falls is the second largest falls in the world, after Victoria Falls in Africa. In 1901, a brave tourist, Annie Taylor, was the first to cross the Niagara Falls. The falls is the largest producer of electric power in the world. Lake Baikal is the largest lake in Kazakhstan and one of the largest lakes in Asia. It is located in the southeast of Kazakhstan. 7 rivers flow into the lake. Half of the lake is freshwater and the other half is salty. The lake has 43 islands and is 600 kilometers long. A lot of animals and plants live by the lake.